Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to NaturalLee. My name is Lydia. Today I'm taking you through how I was able to revive my scalp after a very terrible gel I used. I wouldn't mention the gel's name. I don't know whether it's the fault of the gel or it's the hairstylist's fault, so I don't want to mention the gel's name, but I think from the color of how damaged my hair was, you can tell the name of the gel. My name is Lydia. If you're new to this channel is about natural hair care, how to grow natural hair. I've been posting videos on my hair since I started natural hair, so you can see the sequence at which my hair has grown. Now let's get into it. So from the start of the video, you saw a ponytail, and then you also saw my hair in a damaged state. So I did a pony on the 8th of April to go to an event on the 9th. That's on Saturday. I think on the 10th of April I started having itchy scalp. On the 11th it was too serious. I couldn't stand it. I just kept on hitting my head several times. I couldn't help it. Then on the 12th of April I just decided to remove this ponytail and see what is really going on. So sometimes our hair speaks to us. We just need to listen. We really need to listen. So when I removed the ponytail, I really had a big struggle because the hairstylist really tied the thread so tight for the pony, and I really had a lot of difficulty. I ended up using blade to cut my hair because I couldn't have anyone to help me. So yes, after I removed it, this is how my hair looks like. It's yellow. I couldn't really tell. Like, I really felt that my hair was suffering. My scalp was suffering. My scalp couldn't breathe. It was really suffocating. After I removed the ponytail, the way the state to which I saw my hair in, I couldn't stand it. Like, it was too painful. I just rushed to the shower. I went to wash down the gel with shampoo, just the shampoo, and it kept on itching. Aside the itching, I had a very serious pain in my scalp. Like, I can't even pull my hair strand. As soon as I pull it, I feel this serious pain in my scalp. I'm sure if I had kept this pony on for 2 more days, I would have just lost all my hair because my scalp was really dying. So yes, after I washed everything out, I just patted it dry with my towel, and it was in the night, so I went to bed, and I didn't feel like doing anything to my hair because I was so down seeing what my hair had gone through. So it's just now that I had the energy to take care of my scalp, because even till now that I'm recording this video, I still have slight pain in my scalp. It was worse before I did the onion juice. So I decided to do onion juice for my scalp. Since onion juice is a scalp treatment, onion juice is really good for the scalp because it provides extra sulfur to support strong and thin hair, and thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. I've used onion juice several times for my scalp, especially when I have fresh braids and I'm having pimples under my scalp or razor bumps. Onion juice has been always perfect for me. So when I went through this, my only solution was to use onion juice, and then I decided to use onion juice. So this is me applying my onion juice into my hair. I'll show a link to how I prepare my onion juice because I have a link on this channel. And then I went ahead to apply it to the hair. My scalp was really pained. Like, I was in severe pain. I was in a terrible pain. I don't think I'm going to use this gel on my hair again, and I don't think I'm going to use gel this thick on my hair, because when the stylist was applying the gel, because my hair is natural, she had to use a lot so that my hair can lie down flat, and I don't know why, but I just don't know why. I'm just going to be careful next time around. I've been using onion juice for a while. I got this method from Green Beauty, and it's really been helping me. It has given me the color that I want my hair to be. That's extra black. It has given me my hair, it has made my hair very thick, and I think that is all I can ask for. Onion juice has always been the way to go for me. So I don't use comb on my hair, like combing the hair, and even now that I'm having severe scalp issues, I don't think I can comb the hair. So I part my hair. I use my hand to section the hair, and then I part it and then apply the onion juice into sections. I then twist the hair. Make sure the onion juice is entered into the scalp because onion juice is a scalp treatment. My onion juice contains onions, garlic, and cayenne pepper. And garlic also has antimicrobial properties that helps kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to scalp, further inhibiting hair growth. Because I'm having a lot of damage in my scalp, garlic is the perfect thing to use on the scalp because it will kill the germs. I don't really know what's going on in my scalp, but my scalp was unhealthy, like you could tell from looking at it and even me feeling it. So garlic has always been a good supplement if you want to do your onion juice. And then my last ingredient is cayenne pepper. So this cayenne pepper is the red pepper, the long pepper. Yeah, in this recipe I made it too much because the previous one I did before this one, it didn't really burn my scalp. So this one I did a lot and it really burns me. So when doing your onion juice treatment, don't add a lot of cayenne pepper. Be sure of how hot the cayenne pepper is before you use it in your scalp, before you use a lot in your scalp in your recipe, else you end up burning your scalp and your whole face will end up burning and hurting you. So I gently apply this throughout the hair. I use my hand to detangle the hair because I don't use comb on my hair, so this is the best way to get the onion juice into my scalp. I use my finger to detangle the hair nicely and then apply it on my scalp and then massage it. Don't forget to massage your hair. Please don't forget to massage your hair because massaging the hair is really important. This treatment is going to make your hair shiny and manageable and soft, but you also need to help it. You also need to aid in blood circulation. So when doing this, you saw that my shed hair was just sliding out smoothly without any difficulty. Yes, and this is how it should be. That's why you don't need to comb the hair because our hair is kinky. Our hair curls around each other, so combing it harshly is going to worsen any issue you have on your scalp. So when I finger detangle, the shed hair just slides. I just pull it out gently, no aggression. When you're pulling it out and you're finding difficulty, just take a scissors and then just trim it. Just slowly or gently trim it. When I finish, I give my scalp a good massage so that every part of my scalp receives some of the onion juice. I'm having a bit of edges issues because of the last braids I did. My edges are extremely fragile, so the least manipulation just makes them run away from me, and I'm trying to grow it, and then yes, I will grow it because I'm trying to do this onion juice for 4 weeks. I mean, every week I'll do it once. So that is going to be very effective. So this is the rest of my onion juice. I'm going to keep it in the fridge, and when you keep it in the fridge, be sure that the next time you'll be using it, it wouldn't be as harsh as or as hot as it was the first time you were using it. Yeah, so yes, after you apply your onion juice, now get ready to steam the hair because this is when the onion juice will be able to penetrate into the pores of your scalp. I then put on black rubber. You can use any rubber of your choice, and then I wear my shower cap and then my almighty steamer cap, which I've been using for almost a year now. I started using this steamer cap in May or June 2021, and so it's almost a year now. It's been very good to me. It's one of the greatest assets in growing my natural hair. After 15 minutes, I returned. That the pepper was very hot. Usually I steam my hair for 30 minutes, but this time around the pepper was so hot. It was really burning my scalp. But I feel it's worth it. It's just that I don't think it has any damage, just that it will make you uncomfortable. So I'm back, and see how soft my hair has become. I feel that my scalp has received a lot of nutrients, because when I removed the rubber from my hair, I really felt good. I really felt relieved. And have you seen how thick my hair has become? My hair is black, very thick, and extremely healthy. Just that I'm having scalp issues now. I naturally have a sensitive scalp, so the least thing makes it go over the bar. My edges is still a work in progress, and I believe that it will be better. The way my hair has become black, I don't even know what to say about it. So then I quickly jump into the shower and then shampoo my hair, shampoo everything else. Be sure to shampoo, because onion has a pungent smell, has a very strong scent. If you don't shampoo it out, you'll be smelling like onion all day. So make sure you shampoo it very well, so that you don't smell like onion all day. And onion is a bit, it stinks a bit when it stays on you for a while. After shampooing, I don't use a conditioner. I don't have any reason for not using a conditioner. I just think I don't need it. Maybe if you have a shampoo and a conditioner, you can use it. I think the reason I don't use a conditioner is because I haven't learned how to make one yet. I make my own shampoo and everything I apply on my hair, except the oils that's is natural already. I mean, things that are natural, I make them myself. So if I learn how to make a conditioner, I'll use it on myself. But for now, I don't use a conditioner on my hair. Once I shampoo the hair with my homemade black soap shampoo, I'm good to go. So yes, when you finish, you can twist the parts that's removed during your washing. When you twist it, you are washing the hair, some of them will definitely remove, because you'll be washing the scalp thoroughly. Guys, this is my hair now, and I feel so good now. I can pull my hair really well. Like, I can pull the hair, and the pain has reduced as compared to before. My hair is really black. Like, I don't know, I think I'll share my natural hair journey here, my 1-year natural hair journey with you guys, and you see how it has been. This particular part of my hair is extremely sensitive, and it can become very scalpy. It's not as dense as the middle part, but I'm hopeful that it will gain the same density as the middle part as well. Now that I'm done, I spray it in my herbal spray. So I usually do the LCO method, the liquid, the cream, and then the oil. I spray it in my herbal spray. Herbal spray too is very good, and it's one of the reasons why my hair has thickened. Natural hair thrives very well on plants and herbs. The next, I use shea butter. This is a Ghanaian shea butter, Ghana shea butter, and it's unrefined, so everything in it is natural. I smear it on my hair. Usually I would have focused on my scalp, but I was getting tired, so I just smear it anyhow on my hair, and then the edges as well. And then the last thing I use is my oil, my herbal oil. This oil is made by me, and I sell it too, and it's been very good. I've had great reviews of people showing great interest in the oil, and it has also worked for me. I'm using it to grow my edges, and I'm very positive that it will work for me, because it has worked for me before. Usually I apply it to individual braids, like when I twist and I apply it, but this time around I was just in a hurry, and I really needed to get to bed. It was very late, almost 12 a.m. so I just had to smear it in my hair and then massage it throughout and make sure that it was it has evenly distributed. So guys, I'm ending here. Bye.